Thank you for your attention in Echo Time this week. I'm Echo from Jiangxi LittleAnt Tours Corporation Limited. LittleAnt is a professional manufacturer of diamond tools. Accept OEM and ODM service. Can offer the diamond tools with good quality and good price. Today, let's show a video of our testing process of two different kinds of salt flats. Salt flat or cutting granite. You can see the safety and sharpness of our salt flats, and the edges of the cut material are smooth and safe. Hot welcome friends from all over the world to inquire with me. My contact information is here for your reference. Finally, next time my new video will be recorded in February. Friends are welcome to leave me a message and give me the questions you want to answer. Finally, I wish all the friends who watch the video a happy life, all the work goes well, and the family is happy. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.